to the world and preach the gospel to all creation.
Tripping again and I've lost a location. I'm tripping again, tripping again.
Tripping again, no game but see who gon' win. And that's the time I can't spend out with no season, no friend.
Nah. No, I ain't trying to get fished out. No. I'll let them do that. Nah, y'all have a good evening, though. Appreciate it.
Cause I be praying without ceasing, policing in my own block. I'm back on the beat, it's the nigga, I ain't on no. A pandemic hit and flights changed a bit, but they say that you ain't living your life if it doesn't involve some risk. But he's gotta bark back cause their planes make him sick. He been here, he been there, now they had no choice but to restrict. Because he's tripping again. He is running around trying to pay up the rent when he need to be at home with his family and friends. But what about the will of God? Tell me that ain't time well spent. So I'm tripping again. Yeah, season for everything. You season, no friends.
And if it plays, you play it. If you can't, you keep it.
Yeah, that's how we played earlier today, right?